Wagwan, my people, it's yeah, boy! Grow with Rejoice, grow your mindset. My brothers don't eat sushi. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through a TikTok video I posted from a clip of one of my recent YouTube videos that I posted a few weeks ago. So this clip has actually gone viral and it's just reached over 15,000 views, and with over 70 comments we're gonna go through. So it's definitely a good topic, and I just want to thank you guys for sharing your thoughts on the TikTok video in the comment section. Hey guys, please join my WhatsApp channel. It's gonna be in the description, and please share the link with one person. Thank you. Enjoy the video.
Okay, subscribe to Grow with Rejoice.
It's very interesting to see how cooking plays such a significant role in relationships for many people. Just very quickly, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the family. And I'd like to know what you think, so please leave a comment on the video and please hit the like button, because that motivates me to create more videos like this and more videos for you. Thank you very much. Okay. So 15,000 views on TikTok. Just this one clip, it's just 2 minutes of my YouTube video, and there's a lot more content on my YouTube channel. Eyeball, guys, watch this for a second. Watch this.
Yeah.
If she doesn't know how to cook,
Yes.
nah.
Why?
Nah. You need to know how to cook.
Why?
I don't know, but you just need to.
No.
So you basically not gonna cook at all. Like if we get into a relationship right now, you're not gonna provide for me.
If I don't know how to cook, then nah.
Are you gonna find a way and learn how to cook?
Nah.
No.
If I don't want to, then.
So just like we should call someone else to change the tire, we should call someone else to cook the food.
Exactly.
It's crazy, but these girls think they're smart. You have to cook for your man if you're gonna get married to him. Let's say he's not traditional, he doesn't mind, but he has a mother. There's no way a traditional mother that still follows traditional values is gonna allow her son to get married to a wife that cannot cook. I mean, yeah, she said that she's gonna pay someone else to cook the food. What if that someone else is another woman in your own house? Personally, I would feel embarrassed. I would feel embarrassed as a man to pay another woman to come cook in my house when I'm currently married to a woman that's supposed to be cooking the food in the first place. I mean, come on now, that's mental. That's mental. And then that woman, because your wife can't cook, that woman's gonna be in your house like 5 days a week. You're gonna be seeing her more often. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but say less, man. Say less. If you want to pay someone else to cook for you, that's fine. Okay, so that was basically the topic right there. So you guys have the context. So I'm going to try to see if we can get to read these comments for you just now. Let me just log in. Okay, I'm not logged into my PC on my TikTok. So let me just do that quickly. Bear with me. Okay, here it's loading. See, yeah, it just reached 15.6 thousand. So 15,600 views on TikTok. Just this one clip, it's just 2 minutes of my YouTube video, and there's a lot more content on my YouTube channel. Okay, so the first we're gonna start right on the top. The first comment is, my For You page has failed me. Do these gents need a maid or a wife? Cooking and cleaning is not a gender thing. You should cook for yourself. She can't be a makoti without the ring. If you want cooked food, you can make it yourself. It's not rocket science. And if you want someone who can cook, then get someone who can cook. No one is forced to know how to cook if they don't want to. TF. Now she has a point. Yeah, now you can see I replied to that. Monia says, no way. We don't want to cook for men. And I'm like, yeah, I understand that if you're single and you don't have to cook for a man. However, in a marriage, we both have our roles. Men provide and protect for the family, and women submit and cook. Am I wrong? And then she replied, oh yeah, I just remembered I don't care. I do not care. And then she says, dead wrong. I just said thanks for in the interaction. I just appreciate that people are actually commenting on my page, on my video. And then you get someone else that says, you are in enemy territory, my babes. Imagine our embarrassment when we have to call someone else to paint the house. Uyanya. Good and well, but a man must also know how to cook. It's not only a woman's role. Yep, I agree. That's right, Miss G. I agree with you. I wouldn't mind doing 30% of the cooking. I like to cook. She agrees. Let me just like that. So the next comment says, that's why we end up marrying the maid. This one got like 18 likes. So 10 replies, one reply from me reminds me of those Nigerian movies. We need wives, not hoes. Excuse my language. Women need to know how to cook first, right? Not just men. Nikki agrees with a big yes. If she can't feed herself, then she can't nurture. Laugh out, Kla, laughing. LOKL, and this is the reason men don't need women. Rather than one that can cook than one who wants someone else to cook. Okay, let's forget the man for a minute. What about the kids? What about the kids? Penelope answers, my friend's mom can't cook and he's fine. Yeah, I feel sad for him. No comment there. Just like, I want a traditional wife that cooks, cleans, and raises the children with those types of values. However, knowing the woman out there today, I learned how to cook for myself. That's good, man. Now, a lot of men know how to cook nowadays. We are cooked, broski. Pun intended. Tumelo says, oh, Queen Mother. I asked Queen Mother if she agrees. She says, I think, she says that the girl should stay at home and not go on, just stay at home, you know? Because it's a shame that she doesn't know how to cook. Just a quick reply there. Tumelo says, marriage aside, cooking is a basic skill everyone needs to know. How can she not know how to cook her whole life? I mean, yeah, man. It's crazy. Oh, some woman replied that she does know how to cook. I have 3 boys. Firstborn is a teenager. I'm teaching them how to cook and clean. I don't want my babies to struggle at university. Yeah, that's great. I replied to that. You don't need, you don't have to do anything, bruv. It's 2025. Like 13 likes on that now. She must know how to cook, finish, and clap. Ha, Coach Zanele. Just a quick emoji. I don't know why it's in caps, but I'm going to leave it in caps. I say women should cook and do wife duties only if their partner also does husband duties. This includes providing, mowing the lawn, fixing broken glass, painting floors, etc. So if you are not doing all of that, then go stay with your traditional mother. Your wife is not a maid, nor your mom. Yep. No, I agree with this one. Like, and just a quick reply. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave something quickly here. Just reply to this person. This person doesn't even have a username, but that's fine. When God made woman, he built something in her that when she enters the kitchen, she will cook. It's not a natural thing for us women. This is a woman that said this. So yeah, just a quick reply there. Yeah, some women are replying or commenting that cooking is a basic skill. Okay, so Polite says every woman should know how to cook. I reply, thank you. Penelope replies, so should every man. And I reply, yes, of course, but me personally, I would only expect to cook 30% of the time. And Penelope now says, and the other person should cook 70% of the time. That's hilarious because I'm assuming you want someone with a job just like you. I then reply, yes, I've done it for 2 years with a job. There's no response after that. Yeah, so that's the end of all the comments. We've gone through all these comments. Yeah, and if you have any similar views, please leave a comment in the comment section. Please also check all my other videos that I have on YouTube. Okay, I currently have over 50 videos that I posted on YouTube. A lot of them are entertaining. So please check them out. And once again, thank you for everybody that shared their thoughts. It's very interesting to see how cooking plays such a significant role in relationships for many people. And it's definitely a cultural perspective. Cooking is often seen as an important skill in many traditions, and it can bring families together. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.